Yeah. Thank you very much, FIFA 550, for giving me this honor. I express myself in this prestigious stage. Thank you very much, all the organizers.
अपने बारे में बताएं।
Next, Purva Dubey, the co-founder of Fruit, and is being awarded as for the Wellness Entrepreneur of the Year.
I'm sustainable jewelry.
Also, one of our sponsor for this event. Thank you so much for making it happen.
Hello, I am Rashmi Malik. I'm in sustainable jewelry. Thank you FIFA. Thank you Matu Mom, Jyoti Agrawal, Masin for giving me this opportunity.
I'm really excited and thankful to FIFA community for this award. Got the award as the Emerging Influencer of the Year, and professionally I'm into videos and events production. So yeah, I'm super excited and I'd like to congratulate everyone who got an award today. Thank you.
Award from FIFA 2021. What do you want to say about this?
Well, I am very honored because of what I've been through in domestic violence, and through my ordeal I got to change the law whereby all the women get equal opportunity to get protection under domestic violence, which was not so before. And this section 2Q was scrapped by the Supreme Court in my case. And thank you very much. I really appreciate FIFA for doing this, and I want all the women in India to know that they are in a better position now under the Domestic Violence Act.
What do you want to say about this?
It's an amazing initiative in the community. Such communities really help us and encourage us to come out and start our own things in spite of so many other responsibilities. So I really thank Madhu Mom and all the sponsors for such opportunities.
Thank you.
Everybody behind me, especially my parents, my husband, my partner, Shruti and also Martin. Thank you.
I believe we are celebrating power.
Thank you so much, Martu Mom and FIFA Awards, for acknowledging our achievements. Thank you so much for recognizing us. Thank you.
They all deserve a huge clap. Let's clap for each and every winner out here. Seriously, this too impressive. Award winners are coming.
Jyoti Agarwal ji, thank you to the team of Martu Mom. Thank you so much.
FIFA 2021. What do you want to say about this?
What I would like to say is that I feel so nice that all the beautiful ladies, after taking care of their homes, sorry, come on. Hi, I would like to say that all these gorgeous women, after taking care of their homes, they take out out time and organize like big events all by themselves. All the women-powered show. So I feel very happy for them. See the cheer and see the positivity. So I feel happy for them, and I wish the best to them.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
My name, I'm Dr. Sangeeta Shirname. I'm representing Indic Society for Education and Development. हमारे organization social work, education and underprivileged काम करता है. Thank you, Ma to Mo and Jyoti Agarwal for honoring us and recognizing our work. Thank you.
Now it's time to call upon the stage our
आज
awardee.
मुझे अवार्ड मिला है इन्फ्लुएंसर ऑफ द ईयर। मैं कंटेंट क्रिएट करती हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे। मेरा नाम है पूजा जाम्बोडकर और मेरे पेज का नाम है कांगा जनी इंडिया। मैं कहती हूँ पेरेंटिंग के बारे में, लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में और ऑफकोर्स फिटनेस के बारे में। तो मैं बहुत शुक्रमंद हूँ माँ टू मॉम कम्युनिटी का फीफा अवार्ड का मुझे अवार्ड देने के लिए।
जिस तरह
Thank you so much. I'm really overwhelmed with this. This is called Nainat Ka Kamai today. The fashion show which you have seen here is choreographed by me, and I'm super happy and excited to work with this amazing community, Ma to Mom, and I am my gratitude and kind thanks to FIFA Awards, and I'm super excited, and congratulations to Jyoti Agrawal and full team of Ma to Mom. And this is, I would say that I'm really proud of myself that I transform myself to Ma to the mom. And thank you so much, and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
But what do you want to say about it?
See, this is a very beautiful initiative. विमेन एम्पावरमेंट की हमारी गवर्नमेंट भी बहुत इसके लिए इनिशिएटिव ले रही है और बहुत कुछ काम इस सिलसिले में किया गया है। तो ये बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है कि जो मतलब नॉन प्रोफेशनल लोगों के साथ में ये चीज़ की जा रही है और उनको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए मौके दिए जा रहे हैं नए एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए। और विमेन जो डिज़ाइनर्स हैं या फिर मॉडलिंग करना चाहती हैं, जो भी है उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है। दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म सो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये आगे बहुत अच्छा चलता रहे और इस तरह से और आगे बढ़े ये लोग। और जो एंथुसियाज़म आप देख ही रहे हैं कितना अच्छा है एंड सो और अब एक महसूस होता है यहाँ पर आकर के जो विमेन का जो पावर है वो हमेशा स्टैंड आउट करता है। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ वेरी वेरी नाइस एंड अमेजिंग अबाउट इट। थैंक यू।
आई थिंक एनी विमेन के इवेंट में आने में बहुत मज़ा आता है। आई थिंक इसीलिए विमेन अवार्ड्स में आने में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है बिकॉज हमारी कम्युनिटी को इनकरेज करा जाता है और हमें इतने अच्छे अचीवर्स से मिलने का मौका मिलता है जो उनको हम नॉर्मल लाइफ में नहीं मिल पाते। हम लोग बिकॉज कैमरा के आगे और पीछे होते हैं तो शायद हमें थोड़ा लोग ज़्यादा जानते हैं, बट आई थिंक दीज आर द पीपल हू मेक स्टार्स, सो इट्स ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर। थैंक यू।
Ma to Mom, what do you want to say about this? Ma to Mom, what do you want to say about this?
आई थिंक ज्योति मुझे कुछ साल पहले मिली थी एक और अवार्ड फंक्शन में और उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि ऐसे करके वो कोर्सेज चलाती है। आई सेड ये ऐसी एक चीज़ है जो आई थिंक यू कांट टेक अवे फ्रॉम अ वुमन। सो बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है एंड उसका अवार्ड फंक्शन आ रहा है। सो इट्स ऑब्वियसली दे गोइंग वन स्टेप फॉरवर्ड एंड आई थिंक एवरी वुमन like transforms herself when she becomes a mom, and I wish every woman the very best, and I congratulate each and every woman because I know they are winners in themselves.
सॉरी दिस व्हाट वन
आज आपको भी अवार्ड मिला है फीफा 2021 का ट्रैक।
मुझे एक्चुअली मेरा गाने का अप्रिसिएशन मिला है यहाँ पे जिसका नाम है मुझे उड़ने दो, जो इंडमस चैनल पे रिलीज़ हुआ है। और वो गाना है एनिमल्स के ऊपर कि उनकी जो दशा है आज के वर्ल्ड में, लोगों को सेंसिटिविटी मिले उनके लिए और उनके लिए भी भावनाएं हम रखें। वी नीड टू चेंज आवर आउटलुक, क्योंकि आज का थीम है बी द चेंज। वी नीड टू अकोमोडेट एनिमल्स इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड एंड थैंक यू फॉर अप्रिशिएटिंग माय म्यूजिकल वर्क, माय सॉन्ग मुझे उड़ने दो।
अवार्ड मिला है फीफा 2020 पावर वुमेन्स अवार्ड, क्या कैसा फील हो रहा है?
बहुत इलेटेड फील हो रहा है। थैंक यू सो मच, स्पेशली बिकॉज especially because this is dedicated to powerful women and to empower them, and I feel privileged and it's really, really grateful that you guys called me and I've been awarded this award. Thank you.
Ma'am, what do you want to say about Ma to Mom's journey?
Ma to Mom's journey is like,
Thank you so much, ma'am.
though I don't know much about it, I would say it is a woman to another woman. So you know the energy that they transpire to each other,
Are you ready to see
the
some
soul
dancing?
connection they have for each other. I think that's what keeps them together.
Asha and her pro skipper. Sangeet dance and then function. Let's put your hands together for Sneha and her crew. Like to say a word?
Thankful to Jyoti and Matrimonn for this award, FIFA award. I'm Anupama Paddy, founder and CEO of Dhani Group. Dhani is into organic foods and eco-friendly handicrafts. And I'm really grateful for this award. Thank you so much.
2021, what do you want to say about this? Please can you speak some louder?
I appreciate you, Mark and Mom. Thank you so much. Actually, my field is basically men's world, but I entered in this field and it's very hard to this
Congratulations, ma'am. You're getting an award from FIFA 2021. What do you want to say?
Thank you, FIFA, for this amazing opportunity. And I just want to say one message for every woman out here. Do not be a drop in the ocean. Be an ocean in the drop. Thank you so much.
2021, what do you want to say about
Beautiful function which was organized by Ma to Mom, and to see women being empowered, and I'm looking forward to many such events organized by Ma to Mom, and I wish them a lot of success.
Apart from this, you want to add something else about Ma to Mom's journey?
Well, I've been associated with Ma to Mom since a good amount of time. Some recipe sessions with them, seeing how they're growing, and it's a wonderful way they're growing, and I wish them all the success in the world.
Thank you so much, sir. FIFA 2021, what do you want to say about this?
So I want to say that I'm very proud of my brand. I'm very proud of my brand, and I want to give people organic, chemical-free products. Keep on launching your products, new products in the market.
Apart from this, you want to add something more about this?
Yeah, definitely. Because right now in the market we have a lot of brands, but they claim a lot. But I want to fulfill the thing. I want to fulfill what they
Please come.
Everyone, I'm Anubha Goyal from Kiosk Events. I really thank Ma to Mom community, Jyoti Agarwal, FIFA Awards for giving me this honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Next.
Yes. So I think this is a wonderful initiative of Ma to Mom that all the women are given encouragement. They all are the change, and I think that I like the more idea of change the convention. We all are together and we are making a beautiful world for ourselves. And it's really, really nice to see such events happening after COVID, and people are happy, smiling, dancing, relishing and enjoying. I love the aura. Thank you, Ma to Mom. Wonderful effort and great teamwork. Thank you.
From FIFA 2021, what do you want to say about this?
FIFA is, following a worldwide campaign of the power of orange, which is against domestic violence. And I I give all my support to this movement, and it becomes a great success, and domestic violence reduces and comes to a halt and everywhere across the world.